What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Day Trader, man. Y'all know how I do. I'm gonna go over my account first. I'm gonna show y'all my account just to show y'all all my shit is real. I'm just like y'all. I work 9 to 5, but this shit is real. I'm consistency. I'm consistent. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my account first, and then I'm gonna go over the one trade that I took today. Y'all, let's get to the video, man. I love y'all, boy. Thank y'all for the support. Let's see. Hold on. Did my trading view chart right here. But I'm finna show y'all my account right quick. Let me show y'all my account. Okay. 27%. And close to that payout, boys. I'm at 1368 right now. Yeah, I only took one trade today. I made 350 in one trade, and I made that in 1 minute, like literally 1 minute. I took it at 9:30, New York Open. Look at that. 350. They were yesterday. 345. It was today. My head was hurting yesterday, so I didn't make a video, but they were my biggest loss day, 588. They were my first loss day, actually. But my first trade would have won, but when I entered, it didn't enter on the computer for some reason. I don't know why. So I had to re-enter, but instead of me re-entering, I should have just stayed out and waited for another opportunity, because when I re-entered, it went against me. And I knew that I was supposed to make money on that trade, and because I lost money on that trade, when I knew I was supposed to make my daily profit on that trade, it fucked with my head, and it made me revenge trade. Like, I was mad at the market. Like, if y'all a trader, y'all know the feeling. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I just was mad at the market because I supposed to make my daily target, but instead it didn't take my entry, and I had to re-enter, and when I re-entered, it literally turned around, like, and went against me. Like, that's some crazy shit, bro. So yeah, so I started revenge trading. Y'all know I normally like to, if I lose 2 trades in a row, just stop. So my biggest loss would have been 400, but instead I kept revenge trading, and I took that third trade, and that how I lost 588. But if I would have just lost that 400, my stats would have been looking a little better right now. But it's all good, man. We live, we learn. Hey, I'm still being consistent. I didn't take more than 3 trades. And today I made 340 with 1 trade. And I still got 2 trades left to take, but I'm not going to get back in the market because, that's how bad shit happened. But as y'all can see, let me start the replay. Now y'all can see these fair value gap, they automatically be there. This is my main indicator in the Bollinger Band. Main indicator. Now let me show y'all something. And it was at 9:30 New York Open. I'm just hiding the New York Open indicator because I want y'all to be able to see the charts. But yeah, let me go over some. Y'all see how these fair value gaps automatically down? Like, this is what I be looking at every morning. Like, it's the main thing I be looking at. And then I knew that the market just had a big dump, right? So after a big dump, normally we'll get some type of, retracement, and then it might go back down and continue dumping. But normally around 9:30, you'll get some type of retracement after a big dump like that. So that's what I was looking for. I was looking for a move down to the upside. Now I could have got, they were before 9:30, but y'all know I like to trade after 9:30 New York opening. Hold on, let me pause right quick. I could have got in right here. It was a small 20-point move, but y'all know that's how I like aim for. I could have got in right here. It was a fair value got right here. Before the market J crashed, it was a fair value got right here. And then it went up to here. That could have been my move for the day. But I like to wait after 9:30 because I don't like to rush nothing. But for the past few days, I've been noticing that my move be happening before the market open also. You know, I just like to note stuff like that down, even though I don't trade. Even though I don't trade before 9:30. I just like to put that in my notes that my trades really be hitting before 9:30. But yeah, as y'all can see, there was my entry right here. It came outside the Bollinger Band. It went past that, hit them stop loss and take profit zone. Came outside the Bollinger Band a little bit. And right there in the middle of the fair value gap, I took the trade. As you can see, 19,234. And I got out right here for 3. No, I didn't get out right there. Hold on. I got out right here for 350. My TP, I was gonna move my TP up here, but I got a 20% consistency that I have to stay by, and I didn't want, and I want to pay out this week, so I didn't want to fuck up my consistency. But if this was a regular, if this was my own live account, yeah, I would most definitely put it up to here or to here. The net fair value gap. Let me show y'all what happened. Let me show y'all, boy, what happened, man. Bam. Bam. See, I already made my money right here. But when it wicked back down, they could have been a re-entry. If I wasn't following the 20% consistency rule, they could have been a re-entry, and today really could have been an $800 day, a $700 day. And if you're long, like if you want to hold your trade long, you could have held all the way up here. What about to happen? Like I be finding, with this strategy, bro, I get A1 entry, bro. I get sniper entry, bro. And y'all can watch all my old videos. I get sniper entry. Look at that, man. Right there to the fair value gap. Now let's see what finna happen. Let's see if it respected, or let's see if it just shoot past it. Bro, these fair value gap is respectable, bro. No cap. This is one of the easiest strategies. You just gotta follow your bam. Look at that. That was a whole nother trade. Now when it came back down, boom, that was a re-enter. And when it hit this fair value gap, there was another entry. That 3 trade would have made me over 1,500. The 3 trade would have made me over 1,000. It would have made me close to 1,500, if not more. If I was on my own live account. But since I'm on a funded account and I need to stay within a 20% consistency, I gotta keep my days below $400 because I'm trying to get a payout once I reach 2,000. You see what I'm saying? So I gotta keep my days below 400. So it like putting a cap on how much I can. It ain't putting a cap on how much I can make because I could go for a higher withdrawal. I just want my money this week for this first account. And then I'm gonna get a new camera. See, I'm recording off my phone now, so I'm gonna get a new camera. And then, like how I told y'all, that first trade had fucked up on me the other day, and I lost that 600 because it didn't take my entry, or it lagged, or it paused. I don't know what it did, but I'm gonna get a new laptop. I'm gonna get a new camera, and I'm gonna get a higher. I'm gonna get a 150 account, and instead of me trading 1 lot, I'm gonna be trading 2 lots on my next account. So y'all gonna be seeing my next account making $800 a day, $900 a day, $1,000 a day, and I'm not gonna hold back with no profit. But yeah, that how the trading day went. It went real good. I'm not gonna make this video too long, so Y'all know I'ma holler at y'all, boy. Shit, let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all need the strategy. Damn, look at that, man. Look at that, man. From here, all the way back down. This was a sniper entry all the way up here. If you would have held to this fair value gap, like I said. And this was a sniper entry all the way back down to here. Sniper entry, man. Sniper entry. Easy. Easy money. As long as you follow your rules and be disciplined and wait for your setup and wait for it to hit these nice fair value gap zone, you good. See, fair value gap zone like in the middle, I trade it every now and then, but it's not a A+ setup because, you know, it's just not an A+ setup. But the fair value gap on the outside of the Bollinger Band, when the price action go outside the Bollinger Band to respect the fair value gap, them my A+ setup that I know gonna make me 20 to 30 points. And I'm only risking 10. So yeah, that's all for the video. I'm gonna get up with y'all, boy, tomorrow.